Hey guys, I know we would all love to have a personal chef in the kitchen. Well, today you have one. I'm here with my friend Chef Patrick, and he is going to show us some great kitchen tips and tricks that will make your time in the kitchen so much easier.
One of the first things I usually talk about is peppers. Any of your bell peppers, you can really do this the same. What a lot of people do is they cut them in different ways, and I'm not going to tell you that's right or wrong. I'm just going to show you what might be a little easier way for you and even more economical, so you're not throwing out as much of that pepper by the time you're done. I'm going to show you a little chef trick that makes it a little bit easier for you. If I take my knife and I cut off the bottom, turn it around, and cut off the top. So now I've got two flat sides and I can see through my pepper. If I then just take my tip of my knife, cut down the side so that I can open up a flap in that pepper, push the pepper down between my knife and the cutting board, gently moving that knife back and forth as I unroll that pepper. I've now taken the seeds all out together. I've taken out the little membrane parts that we don't want to eat. And most importantly, I now have something flat to work with. If I cut it down to a smaller piece, and what I'm always going to do is I always cut peppers from the inside part of the pepper to the outside. The reason for that is the outside is kind of slippery, all right? And sometimes my knife takes a little bit more work to go through there. By cutting from the inside, it's a lot more porous, so my knife goes through very easily as I go to cut through without any problems. You don't hear a lot of banging or smashing of my knife on the cutting board, but it just very easily works its way through. Very easy cuts, and always remember, there is no prize for speed in kitchens. Okay? A lot of people are like, I have to be the fastest person out there. It doesn't have to happen that way, all right? You take your time, get it done right and safely. Now people ask me, what about those pieces you cut off? I can use those pieces. I can still cut those. And just as easily, I just gently push around the edges and the stem comes right out. So that whole pepper that we just cut up, here's the only part I wasted. So when you just went to the store, and maybe sometimes part of the year, this pepper might cost you $4 a pound. This is all I'm going to throw out. So I've only thrown out about a penny or two, as opposed to sometimes you throw out a quarter of the pepper. That's a lot of money. So there's a quick little tip for cutting a pepper.
Thanks, Chef. You can get more kitchen tips from Chef Patrick right here on my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing. And be sure to check out more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.